वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि आपको सारी वीडियो मिलती रहें। ओके।
A Roadside Stand by Robert Frost. Stanza 1. The little old house was out with a little new shed in front at the edge of the road where the traffic sped, a roadside stand that too pathetically pled. It would not be fair to say for a doll of bread, but for some of the money, the cash, whose flow supports the flower of cities from sinking and withering faint. Question 1. Where was the new shed put up?
नया शेड स्टॉल कहाँ लगाया गया था?
Answer. The new shed was put up in front of the house. Question 2. Who are referred to as the power of cities?
शहरों की शक्ति किसकी ओर संकेत करता है?
Answer. The elite class is referred to as the power of cities. Question 3. What does the word in the extract withering means?
दिए गए अंश में शब्द विदरिंग का क्या अर्थ है?
Answer. The word withering means decay. Question 4. Identity the figure of speech used in these lines, Polish traffic.
इन पंक्तियों में उपयुक्त अलकार को पहचानिए। पॉलिश्ड ट्रैफिक आए आंसर। ट्रांसफर्ड एपिथेट।
Stanza 2. A roadside stand that too pathetically pled, it would not be fair to say for a doll of bread, but for some of the money, the cash, whose flow supports the flower of cities from sinking and withering faint. Questions 1. Why is it unfair to say that these people are begging for a doll of bread?
यह कहना क्यों अन्यायपूर्ण होगा कि वे लोग रोटी की भिक्षा मांग रहे थे?
Answer. It is unfair to say that the people are begging because they have something to sell. Question 2. What does pathetically pled in the extract implies?
दिए गए अंश में दयनीय रूप से याचना की वाक्यांश का क्या तात्पर्य है?
Answer. It implies the plea to the rich city dwellers to buy something. Question 3. What does the poor people look at the city money for?
गरीब लोग शहर के पैसे की ओर क्यों देखते हैं?
Answer. They look for survival and betterment. Question 4. Identify the figure of speech used in last line, the flower of cities from sinking and withering faint. The flower of cities from sinking and withering faint. Answer. Metaphor. Stanza 3. The Polish traffic passed with a mind ahead, or if ever aside a moment, then out of sorts at having the landscape marred with the artless paint of signs that with and turned wrong and s turned wrong offered for sale wild berries in wooden quarts, or crook-necked golden squash with silver warts, or beauty rest in a beautiful mountain scene. Question 1. What does Polish traffic mean?
पॉलिश्ड परिष्कृत ट्रैफिक का क्या अर्थ है?
Answer. It means luxurious vehicles and irritated. Question 2. Explain out of sorts.
आउट ऑफ सॉर्टस झुंझलाते की व्याख्या कीजिए।
Answer. It means unhappy and irritated. Question 3. Why the travelers feel out of sorts?
यात्री क्यों झुंझलाते थे?
Answer. It is because the landscape was spoiled with rustic painting and the letter S and N in the word stand were painted in reverse. Question 4. What does past with a mind ahead convey?
पास्ट विद ए माइंड अहेड आगे बढ़ने की ओर ध्यान केंद्रित करते हुए गुजरने का क्या तात्पर्य है?
Answer. It conveys that the city people were rich and the city dwellers were in a hurry to reach their destination. Question 5. What are the usual complaints made by the city people when they stop at the roadside stand?
सड़क किनारे बने स्टैंड पर रुकने वाले शहरी लोग सामान्यतः क्या शिकायतें करते हैं?
Answer. The complaints were the outlaws paint of roadside stand and the word S and N. Question 6. What does of signs with S turned wrong and N turned wrong convey?
एस एवं एन के गलत दिशा में मुड़े चिन्ह क्या संकेत करते हैं?
Answer. They convey that the owner was uneducated. Stanza 4. Offered for sale wild berries in wooden quarts, or crook-necked golden squash with silver warts, or beauty rest in a beautiful mountain scene. You have the money, but if you want to be mean, why keep your money this crossly and go along?
ब्यूटी रेस्ट इन ए ब्यूटीफुल माउंटेन सीन, सुंदर पहाड़ी दृश्य में सुंदरता आराम करती है का क्या अर्थ है?
Answer. It means scenic painting made by owner. Question 3. What do the poor people of the roadside stand feel when city people decline to buy anything?
जब शहरी लोग स्टैंड से कोई भी वस्तु खरीदने के लिए मना कर देते हैं, तो वहाँ के गरीब लोग कैसा महसूस करते हैं?
Answer. They feel dejected and angry. Question 4. What qualities of the offered articles make them unfit for sale?
बिक्री के लिए रखी गई वस्तुओं की कौन सी विशेषताएं उन्हें बिक्रो के लिए अयोग्य बनाती है?
Answer. The qualities were that the articles were wild and they lacked polished look. Stanza 5. The hurt to the scenery wouldn't be my complaint so much as the trusting sorrow of what is unsaid. Here far from the city we make our roadside stand and ask for some city money to feel in hand to try if it will not make our being expand and give us the life of the moving pictures promise that the party in power is said to be keeping from us. Questions 1. Who made the roadside stand and where?
रोड के किनारे स्टैंड स्टॉल किसने एवं कहाँ बनाया?
Answer. Poor people made the roadside stand which is far from the city. Question 2. Who wanted to feel the money in their hands?
कौन अपने हाथों में नकद राशि महसूस करना चाहता था?
Answer. Rural people wanted to feel the money in their hands. Question 3. What was the promise made by the government?
सरकार के द्वारा क्या वादा किया गया था?
Answer. The promise was to give a comfortable life to the poor people. Question 4. In the extract, what does hurt to the scenery implies?
इस अंश में भूदृश्य पर आपात हर्ट टू द सीनरी का क्या तात्पर्य है?
Answer. It implies harm caused to the natural scenery. Stanza 6. It is in the news that all these pitiful kin are to be bought out and mercifully gathered in to live in villages next to the theatre and the store, where they won't have to think for themselves anymore. While greedy good doers, beneficent beasts of prey, swarm over their lives enforcing benefits that are calculated to soothe them out of their wits. Questions 1. Who is going to exploit the rural people?
गरीबों का शोषण कौन करने वाला था?
Answer. Politicians and government is going to exploit the rural people. Question 2. What does the phrase in the extract, greedy good doers, implies?
इस अंश में वाक्यांश ग्रीडी गुड डूअर्स भलाई करने का ढोंग करने वाले लालची लोग का क्या तात्पर्य है?
Answer. It implies selfish people who also raise false hopes. Question 3. What does a beast of prey means?
बीस्ट ऑफ प्रे शिकारी पशु का क्या अर्थ है?
Answer. It means men in power who exploit others. Stanza 7. Sometimes I feel myself I can hardly bear the thought of so much childish longing in vain, the sadness that lurks near the open window there, that waits all day in almost open prayer for the squeal of brakes, the sound of a stopping car. Question 1. What can't the poet tolerate?
कवि क्या सहन नहीं कर सकता?
Answer. The poet can't tolerate the farmer's dashed hopes. Question 2. Identify the figure of speech in the given lines.
अलंकार को पहचानिए.
Answer. Personification. Question 3. What is the prayer of the villager sitting at open window?
खुली खिड़की पर बैठा ग्रामीण क्या प्रार्थना करता है?
Answer. The prayers for a generous traveler to stop at the stand to sell something in a good amount to dwindle their distress. Stanza 8. No, in country money, the country scale of gain, the requisite lift of spirit has never been found, or so the voice of the country seems to complain. I can't help owning the great relief it would be to put these people at one stroke out of their pain. Questions 1. How is money important for the village people?
ग्रामीण लोगों के लिए पैसा क्यों महत्वपूर्ण है?
Answer. Money is important for the prosperity of the village and to improve their state of life. Question 2. What does requisite lift of spirit in the context implies?
प्रसंग में रिक्विजिट लिफ्ट ऑफ स्पिरिट साहस की आवश्यक भावना किस ओर संकेत करता है?
Answer. It implies feeling of confidence and carefree life. Question 3. What does scale of gain in the extract implies?
इस अंश में स्केल ऑफ गेन लाभ की मात्रा का क्या अर्थ है?
Answer. It implies huge building and vast sources of income.
वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.